Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making Gramps Kitchen Gems. It's my family's savory recipe, now cooked as an appetizer for any holiday event. Preheat your oven and prepare a mini muffin tin by filling it with mini cupcake liners. Prepare ingredients separately. You want to cube the bread into 1-inch cubes, finely chop the onion, finely chop giblets from your turkey, and then grate your carrots. Add your spices and then thoroughly mix the bread with the rest of the ingredients well in a large bowl. If you can do this by hand, I welcome it because you want the ingredients to be well mixed together. At this moment, you need to assess, do they need a bit of moisture? If so, add a little bit of chicken broth. You want everything to be moist and not dry before you roll them into balls. Roll the dressing into 1.5-inch balls and add them to the mini muffin tin, placing each into a mini cupcake liner. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When they are brown and look toasted, they're ready to serve your delighted guests.